Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Julie. So today I'm actually touring a villa by Neal Communities. Now this home is also located in North River Ranch. If you haven't seen any of my other videos on Neal Community Homes in North River Ranch, I will put a link right up there so you guys can check those homes out. But this is a 2-bedroom villa and it's absolutely gorgeous. So let's go right ahead and check this home out.